Hey Google Workspace and Cloud Identity admins, this is Goldie again, and in this video I will show you how you can bulk update your Google Workspace or Cloud Identity or Google Voice licenses right from your Google Sheet by using this Google Sheet add-on. It's called G License Manager. If you haven't watched, I will highly recommend you to go back and watch my previous videos where I showed you an overview of this tool and how it can help you save some of your time managing licenses in bulk, how you should be using it, how you should be installing it, etc. But if you have watched all of these videos, then welcome to this video. Let's talk about updating licenses in bulk. Okay, so for that you will come to sheet number 3.4, which says update licenses, and you need to provide a few pieces of information, right? So you will provide email address, you will provide the old license that is to be removed, and you will provide the new license that should be assigned. And I'm sorry, I should have put the star to make sure that new license is also mandatory to put here. Okay, so what I will do is I have these licenses here. Let's say, okay, I have this frontline worker. Okay, so I'll take this one. Okay, and then I also have a frontline here, so I'll take this one. Okay, and just to show you, if I go here, search for this user, it should show me that I have the frontline worker assigned. And now I need to update the license. I will need to remove and assign the new one. So let's remove the FLW. Okay, and let's assign the new license, which will be Enterprise Plus. Now, if you're wondering why I'm putting these like FLW and E Plus stuff, so instead of you go to this product and SKU IDs and put these long strings, I've added the abbreviation sheet number 4. If you go to it, you will see this column number C. You should be using these short forms to save some of your time. So if you're dealing with, let's say, frontline worker, just type FLW. If it's Enterprise Plus, just type E Plus, and CIP for Cloud Identity Premium, and so on. So I'll come back here to update licenses. All I want to do is remove frontline worker from these two licenses and assign Enterprise Plus license. I'm just putting 2 to test them out. You can put a few hundreds and it should work fine. Okay, so I'll go to extensions, G License Manager, and an associated sheet, which is update licenses 3.4. I will click on that. The script will pick the email addresses here, loop through, and it says license updated successfully. So if I now go to FLW1, instead of frontline, I should see Enterprise Plus for both of these. So here is my FLW1. It still says frontline because it's not refreshed yet. So I'll go and reload, and I should see Enterprise Plus assigned, as you see here. Okay, so this is how you can update licenses in bulk using this G License Manager tool right from your Google Sheet. If you have any questions, comments, do not hesitate to put that under this video, and I'll be happy to collaborate. Thank you so much.